Wow, I can't believe this. What's up guys, welcome back. Man, it's been a while. What have you guys been up to? I don't know, I've been like lazy. But hey, today I got a great item to check out. Remember Tranzend? If you're not familiar with Tranzend, Tranzend is a company that specializes in formal wear, and all their design is very modern and it's all packed with a lot of functions. And today I have Tranzend's new Ultra Shirt. I currently have the pre-production model and it's already launched on Kickstarter. I've added that link in the video description below. Now I'm gonna put my hand up and be honest, reviewing this shirt, it's really not that fascinating. It's a white shirt. It's quite common out there. However, when Tranzend reached out and told me what they have packed in their Ultra Shirt, I got to check it out. They were saying it has functions like cooling technology in the fabric, anti-yellowing treatment. You know how it's quite common for white shirts to have that yellow stain around the collar area, coffee technology, which is that odor control, and an anti-slip strip, and many more other functions. So when I got told all this, I was just like, what? But you guys get the point. They radically beefed up a common white shirt, and now it's time for us to check it out. When I first wore the Ultra Shirt, I felt the lightweight fabric comfortably sitting on my skin. It felt very clean and simple. The layering is thin and it's translucent, which allows some light to pass through but not allowing objects to be clearly visible. Even though it's a thin layer, but the quality feels amazing. I went ahead and got a size L. I think it fits me quite well. Tranzend also provides a female version of the Ultra Shirt. We went ahead and got the black colored one.
Hey guys， 今天介绍这个 Ultra Shirt 的衣服，很薄很透气，超舒服的哦。
Wow, I can't believe this. Now Tranzend is famous for using a material from Syntex named Escafe Ice Cafe fabric. Yeah, that's the actual name. This fabric is from recycled coffee grounds, embedded inside the yarn. So any odors that you absorb throughout the day can be released through sunlight or washing it with water. Yeah, sunlight. Does that make sense? Sunlight, like you don't have to wash it and the odors gets released. That doesn't make sense to me. So if I go have Korean barbecue with my friends and all that smell that's generated from Korean barbecue, you're telling me it can be released purely just on sunlight? Okay, we gotta do a test. I drenched this shirt in the smell of Korean barbecue. Basically drenched this in Korean barbecue. Ooh, it smells like Korean barbecue, man. We have been eating for about 2 hours now. Yeah, I really don't think the smell is going to go away. Wow, I can't believe this. I totally did not expect this outcome. I would have expected this experience to be a few days later and not like a few hours later. Oh, so after Korean barbecue, I had this shirt put back straight into this bag so the smell doesn't deodorize quickly over time. The next day, I didn't wash the shirt. The sun was out, so I just hanged it on the clothesline. I checked on it around about 5 to 6 hours later. And boy was I surprised. It's like the smell has completely gone. I even got some of my family members to smell the shirt, and their response was, it just smells like a normal shirt. Like, there's no different. Nothing to smell. And that really surprised me, because I think in order to get that type of result, the shirt would have to gone through some type of washing, but it didn't. But all I did was just hang the shirt out on a sunny day, and that was it. So this experience made me rethink about the whole coffee ground technology. Like, every clothes should have this. Considering how laundry lint affects the marine life, so the less you wash your clothes, the more you're saving our ocean, one less wash at a time. Ultra Shirt has a special cooling effect called xylitol cooling technology. So essentially what it does is, when this fabric encounters water or sweat on a hot sunny day, it causes an endothermic reaction and the fabric starts to cool down, bringing a cooling sensation. This is a bit hard for me to do a test because I wanted to do it in a normal day-to-day environment, but currently it's winter in New Zealand and it's freezing. I decided to try this other method where I had the Ultra shirt sitting outside in the sun with another one of my normal shirt and see whether there are any temperature differences. Before I started this, they've already been sitting here for around 3 minutes or so. I got my temperature gun ready. Cool, and you can see there's a bit of a, oh no, don't know if you can see that, but laser pointer there. 31.6 degrees. And that's at 32.7. Now let's set up the time. Okay, I'll come back and check on it later. Okay, so it's just been over 14 minutes and a half. Let's have a look at the temperature. So I'll start with the normal shirt first. That's at 35.6 now, and the Ultra shirt sitting there at 33.7. Okay, I'll keep it going and check on it later. Alright, let's have a look at the time. It's just past 34 minutes. Temperature gun ready. Just to let you guys know, it is so hot in the sunroom right now. Like, let me measure the temperature of the desk. .9 degrees. Oh my goodness. Got my gun ready. 37.5, 37.3, 37.7, 37.6. Okay, an average of 37.6. Now to the normal shirt. 39. Oh my goodness, 39. Can you guys see that? 39, 38.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.9. Average 39.1. Wow. Alright guys, it's already so hot in here and I'm sweating all over my face. It's safe to say that the Ultra shirt does lower the body temperature by 1 to 2 degrees. I'm sure that if water were to touch the Ultra shirt's fabric, it will lower the temperature by a bit more. Man, it's so hot in here. Seriously, far out. 41.1 degrees. I'm measuring the temperature of that desk right now. Oh, I need to get out of here. You guys be the judge. Let me know in the comments below. When the moisture from your skin touches the fabric, what it does is, it spreads across the surface area quickly. With an increased surface area for the moisture to spread apart, this causes the evaporation process to be much faster than your average shirt. I got told that this function is permanent and will never wash out or wear out. The shirt is also wrinkle free, and I want to do a quick test by crunching the shirt and see how much it can maintain its composure. Yeah, I'll show you guys. You can see that there's a lot of wrinkles over here and it's just breaking apart. It can't hold its composure. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but looking at it here, the Ultra shirt holds its composure way better than my other shirt. Another interesting point that I got told was, your body temperature, it can naturally relax fabric tissues, release textures, and remove wrinkles. One of the details I like about the Ultra shirt is that it has a seamless design. Tranzend use ultrasonic stitching technology. This reduces the weight of the stitches and increases the comfortability when you wear the shirt, and ultimately it gives a clean and tidy look. Instead of your typical cuffs, they have used magnetic cuffs. In the neck area, you will notice there's this additional fabric. Anti-yellowing treatment is added to this fabric. It's soaked with anti-yellowing agent so that the shirt is more resistant to yellowing. Instead of just increasing ventilation, they have presented it in a unique way by using laser perforation to create a unique look. Alright, time to flip the shirt inside out. Looking at the stitching, it looks really clean. I mean, it's so tidy. Also, you will notice around the beveled edges, the undersleeves, and the shoulder line, you notice a white piece of fabric on top of it. This fabric is very smooth to touch and is comfortable on your skin. Just looking at it, there's not much to say. It's sharp and clean stitching. Fine work. Alright guys, I personally really like this shirt. It feels great. It's comfortable and lightweight, and it's packed with so many awesome functions. I mean, it's just a shirt, but they took it to the ultra level. There's more information on their Kickstarter site. I've already left that link in the description below. If you're interested, go drop by and have a look. Currently, I got the sample version, and the final version will be slightly different. The sleeve area will be 1.5 inches longer, and the snap buttons will be smaller. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and like how we always say it, until next time, DayMixer out!